Before we start the formal installation, ensure that the vehicle's power is turned off. Prepare the necessary tools and materials. Required tools may include a car speaker, needle, nose pliers, scissors, screwdriver, pry bar, wire stripper, etc. Check the interior space and wiring of the vehicle. Familiarize yourself with the location of the vehicle's battery, fuse box, and the routing of the engine compartment wiring harness. First, we need to pry open the door panel with a crowbar and slowly dismantle it. Loosen the screws with a screwdriver and remove the original car speakers. Thread the wiring harness through the appropriate location. Connect our speaker's wiring to the speaker. Please pay attention to the polarity of the connection, where blue indicates the positive terminal and transparent indicates the negative terminal. Secure the mid-range speaker onto the car door. The speaker is completed. We need to conduct an audio test to ensure proper installation.
Let me be your pressure, that you want. Let me be your push, that you want. Let me be your push.
After confirming that the installation is correct, we'll proceed to reinstall the door panels. Now you can enjoy the wonderful music to your heart's content.